In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign into Dropbox. Whether you're using Dropbox for work, school, or personal files, being able to log in quickly and confidently is really important. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the process step by step, explain the different sign-in options, and share a few tips along the way so you know exactly what's happening on your screen. First, open your web browser of choice. This could be Chrome, Safari, Firefox, Edge, or any modern browser you like. In the address bar at the top, type in dropbox.com and press enter. Once the Dropbox homepage loads, look for the login option, usually found in the upper right corner of the page. Click on that and you'll be taken to the main Dropbox login page. On this login page, you'll see several different ways to sign in. At the top, there may be buttons that say something like Continue with Google or Continue with Apple. These are there for people who originally created their Dropbox account using their Google or Apple credentials. If that's how you signed up, clicking the matching button is usually the quickest and easiest method. If you choose to continue with Google, a new window or panel will open showing a list of Google accounts that are either signed in on your browser or have been used before. Carefully select the Google account that you used when you created your Dropbox account. This is important because if you pick a different Google account, Dropbox may not recognize it and could prompt you to create a new account instead of signing into your existing one. Once you click on the correct Google account, follow any on-screen prompts, such as confirming your identity. After that, Dropbox will automatically sign you in and take you to your files. If you didn't sign up with Google or Apple, look for the email field on the same login page. Type in the email address you used when you registered for Dropbox. Double check for typos, especially in the domain part of the email. Then enter your password in the password field below and click the sign in button. After a moment, you should be inside your Dropbox account, ready to access and manage your files. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully signed into Dropbox.